green.
That was a fast
I
green.
know. Ready to fly with GPS, all green. Yep, that's what it is. And I successfully calibrated the compass. Holy shit.
I can feel the wind over here.
Can you? But I don't have the app set up, so I can't adjust the tilt of the camera. I need the phone to do that. I don't even know what mode I'm in. It's up in the air. Those lights are pretty bright. I mean, they're huge. And it's perfectly freaking stable.
Yeah, it's super stable. It's like it's just sitting in the air. What do you think? You happy?
I don't know. See if I can go more than 3 weeks before we have a problem with it, huh?
Don't talk like that.
I know. I'll be careful. It is pretty rock solid up there.
Yeah, it's just sitting there.
Well, there's also like next to no wind. I'm sorry, that's pretty badass.
I'm sorry, what was your assessment?
It's pretty badass.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. And it definitely feels way more solid than the Parrot. I mean, the props are bigger, the motors are bigger.
It seems more exact somehow. Does that make sense?
It's definitely more precise.
Yeah, that's the word. That's the word I was going for.
Precise.
Thank you.
How close are you going to get
Being
to
my living, what's the word? Not encyclopedia. Yeah, I guess encyclopedia. Thesaurus. That's the word. Holy breeze. You gonna go over the house already on your first flight? You're gonna see if you can lure them out, aren't you? You remember how long it took you to go over a house with a Parrot?
Yeah, quite a while. Wow.
Yeah, it's quick.
Alright, so we're going to be able to do some reconnaissance. Yeah, this is flying it just like, you know, no fancy toys on at all.
I'm surprised they haven't come out yet.
It is pretty freaking fast. That GPS hold works great when I let go of the sticks. I mean, it's perfectly still.
It sounds badass even.
Yeah, it's because of the shape of the props and how large they are.
Oh, so blurry.
I'll come down.
The recording video?
You know what? I don't know. I doubt it.
You made it mad. Yeah.
Try pushing on the legs.
Push on the leg?
Yeah, try to push it away.
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah, that thing tracks like it's on rails. No freaking weirdness at all. I remember red is front.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's a little heavier than the AR.Drone. Takes a little bit more distance to slow down.
Yeah, a little more stopping distance.
Yeah, it's got to be at least maybe at least twice as heavy, maybe 3 times. And you can see how much battery there is just from there. I can see I got 3 bars.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's like totally cool. So I don't have to fly with the phone.
Well, you can if you want to see what the camera's
Yeah.
seeing.
And I haven't updated the firmware on this, so I haven't even checked what version it is, but they just released the new firmware that does the geofencing.
You can blow off the sidewalks with that thing.
Yeah.
Who needs a leaf blower? You got a street sweeper right there.
I'm gonna get dirty on this maiden flight. I don't know how it's able to maintain altitude. It must. I guess it's using some GPS, but it's pretty stable within a GPS 3D fit. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be fun.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off the video.
All
Congratulations, honey.
right. Thank you.
Love you, and I'm happy for you.
I love you too.